So the question is, what are common mistakes that people make in dog bite cases? We were recently contacted by a man who had been attacked by a pit bull. In looking at the facts of his case, we did notice that there were several mistakes that he made early on in the case. If you're watching at home, you may be wondering, what were those mistakes? Well, the first mistake was he delayed in hiring an attorney. And because he was unrepresented, he didn't get the necessary evidence that was necessary in order to prosecute the case. He had no idea whether the dog had bitten anyone else in the past, whether the dog had displayed what they call violent propensities, which is a requirement to bring a dog bite case under Georgia law. If you're watching at home, you want to make sure that you hire an attorney as quickly as possible so that attorney can get that attorney can get together the evidence that's needed in order to properly prosecute the case. Also, it's important to hire an attorney early on, because at some point an insurance company is going to want to take a recorded statement from you or take some kind of statement from you. If you're represented by an attorney, that representation is going to shield you from having to give that statement, or at least you'll have an attorney there. If you are required to give a statement like that, at least you'll have the attorney there who will be looking out for your interest. Another mistake that we see people make just generally in dog bite cases is that they hire the wrong type of attorney. In a dog bite case, just like any other personal injury case, you want an experienced trial lawyer, a trial lawyer who focuses their practice on personal injury cases, a trial lawyer who has experience in litigating claims against insurance carriers, and specifically in this case in litigating claims involving dog bite cases. Dog bites are similar to other personal injury cases, but they are different in some ways. Like I said, you have to, in Georgia, show that the dog had a violent propensity and that the owners knew or should have known of this violent propensity. So they are a little bit different. If you or anyone you know has been a victim of a dog bite and you have questions about it, we would be more than happy to sit down and answer any and all of your questions.